Begin checking your laptop screen size. The first step is to access your computer system information. You can do this by opening the Start menu and then searching for System Information. Once you find it, click to open the System Information window. In this window, locate the section that displays the system model. There will be a specific number or code associated with your laptop's model. Pay close attention to the first 2 digits of this number, as these typically represent the screen size of your laptop in inches. To confirm and gather more details, such as the exact display size and resolution, you can perform an internet search. Open your preferred web browser and type your laptop's model number along with the brand name. You can also add terms like specifications to refine your search results. Browse through the links that appear. You should find detailed information about your laptop, including its display size in inches and its resolution. If the initial search results do not provide the information you need, continue exploring other links to find your exact product details. This comprehensive approach is the most effective way to verify your laptop screen size. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.